Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 6 of NEET Physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve question number 6. It says the de Broglie wavelength of neutron in thermal equilibrium with heavy water. So neutron in thermal equilibrium with heavy water at temperature T and mass m is. So basically we are interested in finding the de Broglie wavelength of neutron. Okay, neutron, thermal neutron. De Broglie wavelength in general is given by lambda is equal to h over p, where h is called Planck's constant and p is the momentum of the particle. P is the momentum of particle. Here the particle is neutron and his wavelength, de Broglie wavelength, has to be found. This wavelength lambda is the de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength. Now the lambda of this neutron equals to h over p, and we know that the kinetic energy of a particle is given by the momentum square divided by 2m. So the momentum will be 2m kinetic energy under root. So if I substitute here, I'll get h divided by 2m ke under root. K is for kinetic energy. So the thermal neutron has this wavelength, which is h over 2m kinetic energy square root. Now for thermal equilibrium, the temperature of that is T. The neutron is having temperature T and the kinetic energy is given by 3 by 2 kT. This is for a single neutron being at temperature T. K is known as the Boltzmann constant. This is Boltzmann constant. And therefore, if I substitute this value of kinetic energy for this neutron, here I'll get this is equal to h divided by 2m. Kinetic energy is 3 divided by 2 kT and under root. This is the wavelength of neutron. If I see this 2 cancels out, this becomes h divided by 3 mkt under root. 3 mkt under root. This is the wavelength of neutron. This wavelength is the de Broglie wavelength of the neutron, which is h divided by square root of 3 mkt. If I see the options, then h divided by 3 mkt is this one only. So this is the right answer to this question. Okay, thank you.